Afternoon, everyone. This is the project of Group 1.
Personal disassembly of system unit. Step number 1. Unplugging all the cables and wires. Step number 2. Opening the outer shell case. This system unit is already open. Step number 3. Removing the system fan. This system unit doesn't have system fan. Step number 4. Removing the CPU fan. Step number 5. Detaching the power supply. And this is the power supply. Step number 6. Removing the CD and DVD drives. Detaching the hard drive.
Sama. Baliktad. Sa harap.
Step number 8. Removing the memory. This is the memory. And the last one, step number 9. Pull out the motherboard.
Hindi ulit. Tanggalin mo yung kamay mo. Pa. Baliktad. Ano?
This is the motherboard. And that's the proper way of this assembly of the system unit. And we will show you the parts of the system unit. Here, this is the motherboard. This is the SATA, or Serial Advanced Technology Attachment. This is the system fan, and this is the CPU heatsink. This is the hard drive. This is the optical drive. This is the memory chip. This is the DVD drives.
Security, kailangan ko pala yung bagal.
This is the ribbon cable or the PATA, Parallel Advanced Technology Attachment. And lastly, this is the power supply. And this time, we will show you the proper way of assembling a system unit. First one, prepare your workplace. This is our workplace and it should be clean and organized. Step number 2.
Cut mo.
Prepare your motherboard. This is our motherboard. And step number 3. Install the CPU. This is the CPU.
Lalagay ko, lalagay ko.
We will install it like that. Step number 3. Installing the CPU heatsink. This is the CPU heatsink and we will put it at the top of the CPU. Step number 5. Install the memory. This is the memory chip.
Uy, shoot na yun, oh.
Step number 6. Place the motherboard into the case.
Baliktad kaya. Baliktad kaya. Baliktad kaya. Baliktad kasi.
Okay, secure it by the use of screws and screwdrivers. Securing the motherboard.
na agad, eh.
Step number 7. Connecting the power supply.
Tagabi kayo ng pako ko na wala. Yung pako.
Meron.
Baba.
Ano yun? Uy, pasabay ako.
Wait lang. Okay na?
Installing the graphics video card. The system unit doesn't have graphics video card. And number 9. Install the internal drives.
Abisin nyo yun. Labas. 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 Good.
Nakabahan ka, no?
Tingnan.
Secure by using screws and screwdrivers. And the last one, step number 10, add in card. And
Wala.
finish. That is the proper way of assembly
Tingnan mo.
of the system.